The Coast Guard wants to employ 4,000 people. First question, what is the qualification?
But let me just say it first, Pinky, this is the first time that we are allowed to recruit 4,000 and 5,000 next year. We started
Why allowed?
We started 3,000 during our separation from the Philippine Navy in 1998. And almost every year, parang 500 hanggang pinakamalaki namin, 900 eh. But this time we are allowed, we were granted yung request namin from DBM to recruit 4,000, and it's going to be a big help on our part.
Let's talk about the qualifications for those who may be interested to be part of the Philippine Coast Guard. What are the openings and what are the qualifications, sir?
First, dapat for non-officer, ito yung tinatawag namin enlisted personnel equivalent with the armed forces. You have at least 72 units. And dapat may skill ka, TESDA related. Okay? Yung mga welder,
Okay.
mga mekaniko, sa air condition, mga IT, yan mga pwede yan.
Pwede, okay.
Pagka sa officer naman, you need to be a board passer, and we prefer maritime related courses like yung mga marine transportation, naval architect, naval engineer, but we also want some civil engineers, chemical engineers. Meron din kasi kami marine environmental protection, we need biologists, yung mga science-related courses. And of course, on my end, sa aking shop, no, I need journalists.
Yeah.
Pero kukunti lang to, mga writers.
Yeah.
Yung public relations ng Coast Guard, we need to take care of that also.
So why the huge number this year? Bakit 4,000?
We have
Ganun
been
ba yung
requesting, you know,
kulang for the
malaki.
past years?
As we have been talking a while ago, ang area ng Pilipinas medyo malaki. Yung coastal towns natin, 822. So every ports, every coastline dapat na monitor ng Coast Guard. And as of now, kung 9,000 lang kami ngayon,
Are you just 9,000 now?
9,000 right now. And 36,000 kilometer of coastline. So, hindi ko na lang makompute. Baka mamaya kung maikli yung napapatrol.
Yeah. So,
Kailangan magaling lumangoy, ha?
kailangan ba magaling lumangoy? Paano pag sa office lang siya?
Hindi, basically kasi sabi ni Commodore Garcia, dapat ang Coast Guard, kahit pag tinawag ka, ba't may nangangailangan tulong sa dagat, you'll be able to, to attend. So preferably, dapat medyo swimmer ka.
So that's a prerequisite too. Must know how to swim.
Negotiable siya. Kung skilled naman talaga siya, and tatanggapin namin, tuturuan na lang namin lumangoy.
Okay, and what kind of salary are we looking at, Commander?
Well, for starting, yung mga nagte-training, they receive 17,000 for non-officer. And I think dun sa mga officer, umaabot siya ng 38 to 40,000 for just nagte-training.
And you're hiring when now? Already?
We're just finalizing yung mga requirements and yung mga papers, and then by the end of March we will announce yung hiring, start ng hiring.
Okay. So at least get ready to siguro if you want to work for the Coast Guard, get your whatever siguro documents you need to be able
transcript
to
of records. And then kailangan ipasa mo muna yung battery exam. And if you pass that, they will ask you to undergo medical examination, and then of course you will undergo background checking. Okay? At after nan, pag okay na, you'll be facing the board, and then you training ka na.
So by the end of March, you can begin to apply. Hindi pa sila pwede mag-apply right
We
now?
will announce it, Pinky, para hindi sila mawala dun sa cycle.
Yeah.
We'll
Is there a
announce it
Facebook
properly.
page?
Facebook.
Okay.
And sa website, yung website ng Coast Guard, we will announce it.
Oh, so
Baka pagalitan ako ni Captain Koime kasi marami nang tumatawag. In fact,
I know. I saw it on Facebook. There are so many questions.
Sa akin, dami ko ng text, daming messages. At we're answering them back. At sabi, relax lang kayo.
Okay. What can we expect as a last question from the Philippine Coast Guard in the next months or years to come, Commander?
The Coast Guard is becoming the face of the government. It has become a unique instrument of national security and development. We bring forth to the table, yung ibang mga capabilities and strategies na makakatulong sa gobyerno. And we really need to develop, and because that is expected of us, yung mga Coast Guard of other countries, neighboring countries, are being developed, no? Singapore, Japan, kahit yung mga Indonesia. And ang galaw ng Coast Guard is diplomacy. We send we are law enforcement agency, at pagka nagkita sa dagat yung mga Coast Guard, pwedeng diplomatic ang approach. Just like even yung China tsaka US tsaka Russia, nagkakasundo sila sa northern part, and that's we're also advocating in diplomacy ng Coast Guard.
Commander Arman Barilo. Sir, thank you again.
Thank
As
you.
I said, it's good to see you, and
too.
good luck. You're the longest serving spokesperson that I've interviewed. Maraming